am explaining exercise 3.4. The question: solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. The first question is x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. First we'll see that elimination method. What is meant by the elimination method? By the name itself we can understand we are eliminating something. That's it. See here, the pair of linear equations are x plus y equal to 5. Make this equation as 1. And 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Make this equation as 2. In elimination method, the first step is to multiply both the equation by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficient of one variable numerically equal. See here, the equations are x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Here I am taking that first equation. Multiply the first equation with 3. If you are multiplying an equation with a constant, we should multiply in both LHS and RHS. So here 3 into x plus y equal 3 into 5. In both LHS and RHS we are multiplying with 3. Now 3x plus 3y equal 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So 3x plus 3y equal 15. Make this equation as 3. See the equation 2 and 3. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. This is the equation 2 and 3 is 3x plus 3y equal to 15. See the coefficient of y in second equation is 3. In third equation also 3. So we made the coefficient of y is numerically equal. Why we are making this coefficient of one variable equal? Then only we can eliminate one variable. Okay. The next step is add or subtract one equation from other so that one variable gets eliminated. Here I am going to add the equation 2 and 3. Now we can write the third equation 3x plus 3y equal to 15. Now the second equation 2x minus 3y equal to 4. We can add. How we are adding? Normally, normal numbers, how we are adding? Like that only. See here 3x and 2x. Here that variable is same variable. We are adding that. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5x. See here 3 and 3. One is plus and one is negative. So it will got cancelled. It will got eliminated. See here. One variable gets eliminated. Here this y variable term is eliminating. So 5x equal 19. 15 plus 4 is 19. So x equal 19 by 5. The step number 3, substitute the value of x in any equation. Here I am substituting the value of x equal to 19 by 5 in equation 1. See, this is the equation 1, x plus y equal to 5. In this I am substituting the value of x. So x plus y equal to 5. Instead of this x I am giving the value 19 by 5 plus y equal 5. So y equal 5 minus 19 by 5. How we will subtract? 5 into 5 is 25 minus 19 by 5. So 25 minus 19 is 6. So y equal 6 by 5. Hence x equal 19 by 5 and y equal 6 by 5. This is the way we are doing that elimination method. Now we'll see the substitution method for this same problem. The equations are x plus y equal to 5. Make this equation as 1. Now 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Make this equation as 2. Now pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking that first equation x plus y equal to 5. Now x equal 5 minus y. That means x variable in terms of y. Now we can substitute the value of x in equation 2. This is the equation 2. See here, the equation 2, 2x minus 3y equal 4. This is the equation 2. In this, we are substituting the value of x. Two into 5. See here, 5 minus y is x. So 5 minus y minus 3y equal 4. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is what? 10. Minus 2 into y is 2y minus 3y equal 4. This minus 2y plus minus 3y is minus 5y. So we will get 10 minus 5y equal 4. So 5y equal 10 minus 4 is 6. So y equal 6 by 5. Now we got the value of y. By substituting the value of y, we can find the value of x. So substitute y equals 6 by 5 in equation 3. Which is the equation number 3? See here. The equation number 3 is this. See, x equal 5 minus y. This is the equation number 3. In this, we are substituting the value of y. See here, instead of this y, we are giving 6 by 5. Then we can find the value of x. So x equal 5 minus, see here, y value is 6 by 5. Now 5 into 5 is what? 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 minus 6 whole divided by 5. So 25 minus 6 is 19. So 19 by 5. Now we got that value of x and y. Which is the value of x and y? See here, the value of x is 19 by 5 and value of y is 6 by 5. Now we can verify. What is the verification? We should substitute the value of x and y in both the equation and verify that equations are satisfied or not. So the first equation x plus y equal 5. So we can substitute the values x and y. The values of x and y is what? X is 19 by 5 plus. See here, y value is what? 6 by 5. So 19 by 5 plus 6 by 5 equal. How we are adding? This denominator is same. So we can add the numerator directly. So 19 plus 6 is 25 by 5. 25 by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 5 are 25. So we got that 5. So the first equation is verified. The second equation. Second equation is what? 2x minus 3y equal 4. This is the second equation. So we can give the values of x and y. See here 2 into 19 by 5 minus 3 into 6 by 5 equal 19 into 2 is 38 by 5 minus 6 into 3 is 18 by 5. 38 minus 18 is 20. 20 by 5 equal 4. So this 2x minus 3y equal to 4. That also satisfied. Hence, the values of x equal 19 by 5 and y equal 6 by 5. The next question, 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. First we'll see that elimination method. So the pair of linear equations are 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Make this equation as 1. And 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Make this equation as 2. Now what is the first step of elimination method? You should multiply both the equation with some suitable constant. Here I am taking that equation 2. See, this is the equation 2. This equation 2 I am multiplying by 2 to make the coefficient of y equal. The second equation is 2 into 2x minus 2y equal 2 into 2. Both LHS and RHS we should multiply with constant. So 2 into 2 is 4x minus 2 into 2 is 4. So minus 4y equal 2 into 2 is 4. So we will get that equation 4x minus 4y equal to 4. See the equations 1 and 3. The y term. So 4y, here also 4y. The coefficient of y is numerically equal. So the first step is over. The second step, add or subtract the equations for eliminating one variable. See here I am adding the equation 1 and equation 3. See the equation. This is the equation 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. And the equation 3. 4x minus 4y equal to 4. These are the 1 and 3. Now we can add. How we will add? See here. The equation, first equation 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Then third equation 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Add that same variable. See here 3x and 4x. This is having that same variable x. So 3 plus 4 is 7x. And 4y here also 4y. See here this is plus and this is minus. So this term will got eliminated. And 10 plus 4 is 14. Now we will get x equal to 2. How? See here 7x equal to 14. So x equal to 14 by 7 is 2. X equal to 2. Now we got the value of x. So what is the next step? We should substitute the value of x in any of this equation. Then we can find the value of y. Here, substitute x equal to 2 in equation 1. See here, this is the equation 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. In this, I am going to substitute the value of x. Instead of this x, in this place, x place, we can give the value of 2. See here, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 3 into x value is 2. So 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10. 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 plus 4y equal to 10. Now 4y equal 10 minus 6 is 4. Now y equal to 1. 4 by 4 is 1. Hence the value of x and y is x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Next, the substitution method for the same equations. The equations are 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. By the first equation as 1. See the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Make this equation number 1. And 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Make this equation as 2. Now in substitution, the first step is pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking the second equation 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Now we can write 2x equal 2 plus 2y. Now we can eliminate this 2. See here, in LHS and RHS, 2 is the common factor. So we can eliminate that. So we will get that x equal 1 plus y. This is the equation number 3. Now the next step is substitute x equal to 1 plus y in any of this equation. Here I am taking that equation number 1. In this equation, I am substituting that x equal to 1 plus y. So 3 into 1 plus y plus 4y equal to 10. See here 3x. In this x place we are giving this 1 plus y. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 into y 3y plus this 4y equal to 10. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7y. So 3 plus 7y equal to 10. Now 7y equal 10 minus 3 is what? 10 minus 3 is 7. So we got 7y equal to 7. Therefore y equal to 1. 7 by 7 is 1. Now we got that y value, y equal to 1. Now we can substitute y equal to 1 in any of this equation. See here, equation 3, I am substituting y equal to 1. This is the equation 3, x equal to 1 plus y. In this y's place, we can give the value 1. So x equal to 1 plus y. So 1 plus 1. Y value is what? See here, y value is 1. So x equal to 1 plus 1. So we will get that x equal to 2. Now in this equation, y equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Now the verification, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. See, this is the first equation. We are going to verify the first equation. In this x, we should give the value 2. And y's place, we should give the value 1. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the first equation is verified. Now the second equation, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. That x value is 2 and y value is 1. So 2 into 2 minus 2 into 1 equal. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the second equation also verified. Hence the values of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. The next problem, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to y plus 7. We'll see that elimination method first. See here, the equation 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. In this equation, we should rearrange this. That means the variable terms in one side and constant term is other side. Like that way, we should arrange. So we will get 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Make this equation as 1. Now the second equation, 9x equal to y plus 7. In this also we should rearrange this equation. So we will get 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Make this equation as 2. So the first step is multiply the equation with one constant. Here I am taking the first equation. See here, this is the first equation, 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Multiplying that first equation by 3 to make the coefficient of x equal. The coefficient of x equal. Now 3x minus 5y equal to 4. This is the first equation. See here, 3x minus 5y equal to 4. We should multiply with which number? 3. We should multiply the equation with 3. In both LHS and RHS, we should multiply. So 3 into 3x minus 5y equal 3 into 4. So 3 into 3 is 9 minus 3 into 5 is 15. So 15y equal 3 into 4 is 12. So we will get the equation 9x minus 15y equal 12. Make this equation 3. Now add or subtract the equation for eliminating one variable. See here I am going to subtract the equation 2 from equation 3. See here, equation 3 is what? 9x minus 15y equal to 12. See here, the equation 2 is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. We are going to subtract this 2 from 3. So the first equation 9x minus 15y equal to 12 and this equation 9x minus 2y equal 7. How we are subtracting? For subtracting, we should change the sign and normal addition. After changing that sign, the normal addition. Like that way, we can subtract. So here in the second equation, which one is going to subtract? That equation sign is changed. Here we are going to subtract this equation. That means second equation 9x minus 2y equal to 7. So we should change the sign of this equation. So here it is minus. Here actually it is negative. We should change the sign. So it will become positive. Here it is positive. It will become negative. Now we can add. So here it is. This is positive and this is negative. So this term will got cancelled. Now minus 15y plus 2y. First we should add that. So 15 plus 2 minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13. Minus 13y equal 12 minus 7 is 5. Therefore, we will get y equal minus 5 by 13. Now we got that value of y. This next step is substitute the value of y in any of this equation. So substitute the value of y equal minus 5 by 13 in equation 2. See here, this second equation I am going to substitute the value of y in this y's place. So 9x minus 2 into y value is minus 5 by 13 equal 7. So 9x plus, see here, this minus and this minus, it will got plus, and 2 into 5 is 10 by 13 equal 7. Now 9x equal 7 minus 10 by 13. It will get 13 into 7 is 91 minus 10 whole divided by 13. So 91 minus 10. 91 minus 10 is what? 81. So 81 by 13. Now x equal 81 by 13 into this 9. It will go this side. It will become 1 by 9. So we'll get that x equal 9 by 13. Hence the value of x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal minus 5 by 13. Now we'll see that substitution method. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal 2y plus 7. Rearrange the equation. We will get 3x minus 5y equal to 4. And the second equation 9x equal to 2y plus 7. So 9x minus 2y equal to 7. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now the first step of substitution method is what? Pick one equation and write one variable in terms of other. Here I am taking this first equation. See the first equation? 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Now we can write 3x equal 4 plus 5y. X equal 4 plus 5y by 3. Make this equation as 3. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Which is the equation number 2? 9x minus 2y equal to 7. This is the equation 2. In this, I'm going to substitute the value of x here, this place. So 9x, 9 into x is 4 plus 5y by 3 minus 2y equal 7. So this 9 and this 3 will got cancelled. So 3 3s are 9. So here 3 will come. 3 into 4 plus 5y minus 2y equal to 7. Now 12 plus 3 into 5 is 15y minus 2y equal 7. So 12 plus 13y equal 7. Now 13y equal 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So y equal minus 5 by 13. Now we got the value of y. The next step is substitute the value of y in any of this equation. Here I am going to substitute in third equation. So substitute y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 3. Which is the equation 3? See here, x equal 4 plus 5y by 3. So in this place, y's place, we are giving that minus 5 by 13. So 4 plus 5 into 5 is 25. The sign is minus by 13. Whole divided by 13. Now 13 into 4 plus minus 25. We'll get that 27 by this 3 and this 13. So 3 and 27 will get cancelled. So 3 nines are 27. So we'll get that x equal 9 by 13. Hence the value of x is 9 by 13 and the value of y is minus 5 by 13.